छात्रा सर्वकुशलं वा? संस्कृतकक्षायां स्वागतमस्ति। अद्य वयं पुनरावर्तन 1 एवं गद्यपाठ 6 that is Ramaniya Nagari. We will going to study about these two. Okay. Punravartan 1 we will see entire, and Ramaniyam Nagari we will go for the first page only on till page number 20. Okay. So keep in the mind Punravartan 1. Here one nice interesting exercise is there for you to make sentence. Here you can see one circle is there, and above means it is divided into 3 circle, not divided, but in one circle there are 3 circles. Above part subject is there, then action is there, and then verb is there. Means kridakah, means we have taken one word from the above, that is kridakah. Now kridakah and maybe kandukam and kshipati is a verb, and we will going to make a simple sentence using 3 words: kridakah, kandukam, kshipati. धावक धावनं करोति, शिक्षकः पाठं पठति पाठ्यति, कृषकः बीजम is there, no or not? Bijam is there. Bijam vapati. So in this way we have to make a simple sentence using 3 different word from the given circle. Okay. I am going to send you the answer in PDF also. In fill in the exercise to fill in the blanks is there. Here we have to select the proper word given in the bracket. But my dear student, in an exam it is possible that all the word given you into one bracket. Okay. So you must learn what is the answer. Here, as we are having only 2 words in a bracket, it's very easy for you to guess for the correct answer. But in the exam it will not like this. You may get the question or all the words in one bracket, and you have to select proper word from them and fill in the blanks with the selecting proper word from the bracket. Then you have to write the answer with fill in the blanks. Entire question and answer should be there. I am also sending you in same way only. For example, if first is there, don't write only that Khel Mahotsav answer. No, you have to write entire sentence. Vivekanandasya Vidyalaye Khel Mahotsav Chalati. Bracket word no need to write. But answering word should be with the entire sentence. Not only answering word will not going to accept it. Then in exercise 3, here one picture is there, and depending on that picture, story is there, small few sentences are there. That ekam pipilika gacchati, marge गज ताम दृष्ट्वा कथ्यति, रे पिपीलिके मम मार्गत दूरी भव, अन्यथा अहम त्वां मर्दयिष्यामि. पिपीलिका किमपि न वदति. अनन्तरं पिपीलिका शुण्डाग्रं प्रविशति, दंशति च. गजः त्रस्तः भवति. स स्वीकरोति यत् संसारे कोऽपि न तुच्छ न च उच्च, सर्वे समाना सन्ति. Very small story. Pipilika means ant, Gaja means elephant, Mardeshyam means I will crush, Sundagra means in the forepart of the trunk, Pravishati means enter, and these are some words you have to keep in the mind. And then the translation, if they ask, most probably they will not ask anything from this, but you must know what is the translation of this. That eka pipalika gachati, an ant is going. Marge Gajam, on the way, Gajam is an elephant. Tam Dushtava, seeing her, Kathyati tells, O ant, go away from my way, otherwise I will crush you. The ant say nothing. Kimapi na vadati means speaks nothing or say nothing. Then after the ant enter in the forepart of the trunk and sting. The elephant trasta bhavati means the elephant is troubled very much. Trasta bhavati, the elephant is troubled. Sa swikaroti, he accept. Yat means that sansare, in the world, kopi na tuchya na cha uchya. In this world, no one is insignificant and no one is the highermost position. Sarve samana santi, all are equal. Okay, so this is the translation of this short story. Now, true or false, that you also know, and I am sending you with the PDF. Then fifth one is translate the following into Sanskrit. This is important one. You have to write English sentence and then translate into Sanskrit. In true or false also you have to write sentence and then write true or false. Please don't write only true or false. Write sentence and then in front of sentence you write true or false. So here Pundavartan 1 is over and now we are going to start chapter number 6, Ramaniya Nagari. Here you can see one beautiful picture is that, and if you can read properly, okay, the name is not, we cannot read out, but this is a Vittal Bhai Sadan, means it is a Sachivalay or which we can say legislative assembly of Gujarat state. Okay, the picture of that Gujarat state legislative assembly or Sachivalay is there, and here the title is Ramaniya Nagari. Ramaniya means beautiful, Nagari means city, a beautiful city. Here we will going to see some little bit short information regarding Gandhinagar, which is capital city of Gujarat and considered a very beautiful city. Now here I am going to read the first paragraph, then I will give you meaning, then translation. First paragraph. Gandhinagaram Gurjar Rajyasya Rajdhani Asti. Idam Sundaram Suyojitam Cha Nagaram Asti. Atra Bahuni Darshaniyani Sthanani Santi. Yatha Sachivalaya Mahatma Mandiram Akshardham Mandiram Evam Indroda Pakshi Udyanam. Now meaning Gandhinagaram, name of city, Gurjar Rajyasya of state of Gujarat, Rajdhani means capital, Asti means is, Idam means this, Sundaram beautiful, Suyojitam well planned, Cha means and, Nagaram city, Atra here, Bahuni many, Darshaniyani worth seeing, Sthanani places, Santi means are, Yatha means as, Sachivalay, the name of the place is there, so we will keep it Sachivalay only, Mahatma Mandir, Akshardham Mandir, Indroda Pakshi Udyanam means Indroda bird sanctuary. Okay, so the translation will be like this. Gandhinagar is the capital city of the state of Gujarat. This is a beautiful and well-planned city. Many worth-seeing places are here, as Sachivalay, Mahatma Mandir, Akshardham Mandir, and Indroda Bird Sanctuary. Now, second, here by mistake I have told you this building about legislative assembly. I have to be sure about it. But here also, because one another building is given and I think it is the same photo of the same building. Here you can see the name is there, Vitthal Bhai. I can read that only. Gujarat Vidhan Sabha. Okay, so it is of a Vidhan Sabha or Sachivalaya. Now, here I am reading the paragraph which is given in front of that, beside of that picture. Idam Sachivalay Bhavanam Asti. अस्मिन् भवने विधानसभायाः अधिवेशनानि भवन्ति. अस्मिन्नेव भवने स्थित्वा राज्यस्य मन्त्रिणः सचिवाः अन्ये च अधिकारिणः राज्यकार्यं सञ्चालयन्ति. सचिवालय एव गुर्जरप्रदेश शासनस्य मुख्यकार्यालयः अस्ति. Now listen to the meaning. Idam means this. Sachivalay Bhavan means Sachivalay Bhavan only, or building of a Sachivalay. Asti means is. Asmin means in this. Bhavane building. Vidhan Sabhaya means of legislative assembly. Adhiveshanani sessions. Bhavanti means held. Asmin ev in this only. Bhavane means in building. Stitva staying or sitting. Rajyasya of state. Mantrina minister. Sachiva executives. Anyacha and other. Adhikarina officer. Rajya karyam the work of a state. Rajyasya karyam work of a state. Sanchalyanti means operate. Sachivalaya name Sachivalaya eva only Gurjar Pradesh of state of Gujarat. Shasanasya means of administration. Mukhya main. Karyalaya means office. Asti means is. So the translation will be like this. This is the building. This is the building of Sachivalaya. The sessions of the legislative assemblies are held in this building. The minister, executive, and the other officer of the state sitting here only, or in this building only, operate the work of a state. Sachivalaya is the main office for the administration of state of Gujarat. Now the third picture. अस्माकं राष्ट्रपितु श्री गांधी महोदयस्य स्मृतिरूपेण एतस्य मन्दिरस्य निर्माणम् अभवत्, यत् महात्मा मंदिर नाम्ना प्रसिद्धम् अस्ति. महात्मा गांधी महोदय भारतस्य स्वतन्त्रतायाः कृते भृशं प्रयत्नम् अकरोत्. एतानि सर्वाणि कार्याणि चित्ररूपे अत्र प्रदर्शनार्थं प्रस्तुतानि सन्ति. Now meaning. Asmakam means our. Rashtrapitu, father of nation. Sri Gandhi Mahodayasya means of Mahatma Gandhi or of respected Gandhiji. Smruti Rupen in the form of memory. Etasya of this Mandirasya temple Nirmanam construction Abhavat happened. Yata so Mahatma Mandir name Mahatma Mandir Namna name Prasiddham famous Asti means is. Mahatma again respected or Mahatma Gandhi Mahoday respected Mahatma Gandhi Bharatasya of India Swatantratayaha for the independence Krute means for independence Bhrusham very much Prayatnam effort Akarot means did. Etani these all Sarvani all. Etani means this, Sarvani means all. कार्याणि वर्क चित्र रूपे in the form of picture अत्र here प्रदर्शनार्थ for exhibition प्रस्तुतानि santi are shown or are presented here. Prastutani are presented here or are shown. Now the translation. अस्माकं राष्ट्रपितु श्री गांधी महोदयस्य स्मृति रूपेण. Means the translation will be like this. In the form of the memory of our father of the nation, respected Mahatma Gandhi, this temple nirmanam abhavat. Here let me give you the translation in the another way. The construction of this temple is did in the form of the memory of our father of the nation, respected Mahatma Gandhi. The construction of this temple is done or is happened in the form of the memory of our father of the nation, respected Mahatma Gandhi. So, famous by named Mahatma Gandhi. Famous by name Mahatma Mandir. Respected Mahatma Gandhi did lots of effort for the independence of our country India. Mahatma Gandhi did lots of effort for the independence of our country India. These all works are presented here in the form of picture for the exhibition. Okay. So dear student, today we are going to stop our work here, and the rest part of this lesson we will see in the next period, as well as we will see all the exercise also during that time. Today, along with this video, you will get the PDF of lesson plus translation, answer of the Pundavartan 1 and the translation of chapter number 6 till page number 20. And that I hope and I expect from you also that you will write down in your book on the same day only, so you will always be in a time to show the work and can be free from other burdens and study nicely. Okay, dear friend, let's hope how the things will come on, because it is also gossips are going on that we may going to start physical lessons, but till the time you please try to understand with this virtual video. Okay, thank you dear student, thank you very much.